discovered an even larger storm drain outlet. With a mix of nerves and excitement, he raised his net and went for a pale, arc-shaped figure in the water. After some frantic effort, Bobby finally succeeded. It turned out to be a unique birch fish, strange and mesmerizing. Though Bobby had no idea what species it was, he knew it must be a prized ornamental fish. Bobby even managed to grab a weird alien-like fish with his bare hands. It looked both grotesque and fascinating, as if it had crawled straight out of a horror movie. Both curious and scared, Bobby decided to take it home for further research. Meanwhile, he also caught a bright blue shrimp and a bunch of ornamental fish, tossing them all into his trusty blue bucket. Bobby's haul was nothing short of jaw-dropping. Finally, after more than an hour of this storm drain adventure, Bobby wrapped up with an epic finale. He returned home with a bucket full of extraordinary finds to add to his fish pond.